Hello, I'm Leo. I'm from Moldex3D R&D division. I'm a senior manager. Um, my field is about the numerical simulation, including the flow field simulation and solid analysis. Um, about the product, I'm in charge of the IC packaging product. In my presentation today, I will briefly introduce to what is the Moldex3D IC packaging, including several different processes, such as transfer molding and compression molding and capillary under field. Of course, I will also introduce to our capability of the prediction of warpage and some of very handy tools that we can also, if the time is long enough, then I can show you some very handy tool like air trap indicator, a field concentration, and thermal cycle test. This year, we separate our encapsulation product into two parts. One is IC packaging, and another is electronic putting. For the scale perspective, we can treat these two parts as the chip level or board level process or products. First, what is the Moldex3D IC packaging? I think it's well known in the IC design, from IC design to IC manufacturing. This field, they have several very useful software that can help engineers or designers to complete their works, such as the EDA tools like Cadence, Synopsys, or Simon's Mentor Graphics, Simon's EDA. Those EDA tools can help complete those IC design process, including the logical part and physical part, and about the before down to the fabrication. They also need to do some integrity test. Then mostly we use ANSYS to do those tests like signal or power or thermal test for the design. And about the IC packaging and the test, I think Moldex3D plays a very big role for these parts.